Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best desktop plant stand is probably one of the most versatile and stylish ways to bring a touch of nature into your workspace, transforming a mundane desk into a vibrant oasis. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your green journey, a well-chosen plant stand can elevate your favorite small plants, adding life, color, and a sense of calm to your daily grind. It's more than just a holder, it's a statement piece that complements your decor while providing a healthy environment for your leafy companions to thrive. Number 5. 2-tier 27 tall metal plant stand. Elevate your plant display with this stylish and functional stand. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, it complements any home decor. Engineered with a 3-leg integrated structure, it offers exceptional stability and balance. You can trust it to hold up to 100 pounds with ease. Crafted from durable wrought iron with a black powder-coated finish, it resists rust and corrosion. Its lightweight design allows for effortless repositioning. This 2-tier rack provides ample space for planters, flowers, or even household items. It's a versatile solution for organizing your space. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply tighten the screws, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a beautiful and sturdy plant display ready to go. With a height of 27.1 inches, it accommodates pots up to 10 inches on the bottom and 11.8 inches on the top. It's designed to showcase your greenery beautifully. What we like? This stand offers a robust, 2-tier design crafted from rust-proof iron, built to last. If you need a durable and stable option for both indoor and outdoor spaces, especially for heavier pots or in humid environments, this is the one for you. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle significant weight, making it ideal for larger plants or frequent repositioning. What people say? The stand is sturdy and holds my large potted plant without any issues. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 10 minutes. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. Number 4. MyGift 2-tier natural bamboo plant stand. Introducing a stylish 2-tier shelf crafted from natural bamboo. Its clean, light look complements any decor. This compact stand fits perfectly on your desk or countertop. It's ideal for holding potted plants, spices, or office essentials. Organize your space efficiently with its 2 slatted shelves. It offers ample room without taking up too much space. The slatted construction in natural bamboo brings a fresh, organic feel to your home or office. Measuring approximately 15.5 inches long, 8.3 inches deep, and 12 inches tall, it's designed for convenience. Use it to display your favorite plants or keep your workspace tidy. This versatile piece does it all. What we like? Crafted from natural bamboo, this stand brings a light and clean aesthetic to your space. If you're looking for a stylish, eco-friendly option with a small footprint, perfect for desks, countertops, or small apartments, this is an excellent choice. Its slatted shelves offer good drainage and airflow for your plants. What people say? The stand is very sturdy and holds my large potted plants without any issues. Assembly was a breeze, took me less than 10 minutes to put it together. I love the modern design, it looks great in my living room and complements my decor perfectly. Number 3. COOGOU wood desktop plant stand. Crafted from renewable pine wood, this stand offers exceptional stability and durability. Its high-temperature carbonization process enhances its resistance to deformation and corrosion, ensuring it lasts for years. Designed with a robust 15mm pine wood frame, it can support up to 20 pounds. The T-shaped structure and quality screws ensure a stable and shake-free placement for your plants. Its compact dimensions make it perfect for any desktop or windowsill. This multi-layer shelf maximizes vertical space, allowing your plants to receive ample sunlight for optimal growth. Featuring a smooth, polished surface with rounded corners and sunken screws for a clean look. It's lightweight and easy to move, with included tools for simple assembly. With its simple and flexible design, it complements any furniture. Place it on your desk, windowsill, or living room to display your favorite plants. It also makes a thoughtful gift. This stand is built to last, with a water content reduction of 50% and a 50% increase in anti-deformation. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty and dedicated after-sales service. What we like? Made from durable, high-temperature carbonized pine wood, this stand is built for longevity and stability. If you have limited space, such as a windowsill or a crowded desktop, and want to maximize vertical display for multiple small plants, this narrow and multi-layered option is ideal. Its design ensures plants get adequate sunlight without overcrowding. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and can hold multiple plants without wobbling. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 15 minutes. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. Number 2. KGPLOME Mid-Century Walnut Plant Stand. Introducing the KGPLOME Plant Stand, a perfect blend of mid-century style and modern functionality. Its elegant walnut finish and sturdy metal legs offer a sophisticated look for any space. Crafted with high-quality wood and a beautiful walnut grain, this stand is designed for durability. The robust metal legs provide superior stability, capable of supporting up to 100 pounds. The thoughtful raised design of the top surface ensures your pot stays securely in place, preventing slips and drips. It also keeps items from falling off when used as a convenient side table. More than just a plant stand, this versatile piece can serve as a stylish side table, a bedside companion, or a decorative pedestal. Its adaptability makes it suitable for any room in your home or office. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply screw the 3 legs into the designated holes, no tools required. You'll have this minimalist and elegant addition to your decor ready in minutes. With its modern and stylish aesthetic, it effortlessly enhances any interior. This plant stand is a chic addition that complements any home or office decor. What we like. This stand features a stylish mid-century modern design with a walnut wood finish and sturdy metal legs. If you appreciate a blend of modern aesthetics and functionality, and need a versatile piece that can serve as a plant stand or a side table, this is a great pick. The raised tray design is particularly useful for preventing spills and keeping items secure. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and holds my large potted plants without any issues. Assembly was a breeze, took me less than 10 minutes to put it together. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great in my living room and complements my decor. Number 1. Wooden DIY Mini Tabletop Plant Stand. Introducing a charming country-style wooden plant stand, perfect for adding a touch of rustic elegance to your space. Its natural wood finish brings a unique charm to any room. This multi-layered stand offers ample space for your favorite small potted plants or decorative items. Its concise design maximizes vertical space, making it ideal for tabletops. Crafted from high-quality, natural wood, this stand is built for durability and stability. You can trust its substantial construction to hold your items securely. Measuring 13.78 by 3.94 by 12.99 inches, it's designed to fit perfectly on your desk or tabletop. Please note its compact size to ensure it meets your needs. This decorative piece requires simple self-assembly, allowing you to enjoy the satisfaction of putting it together yourself. Flower pots are not included. Beyond plants, it's also great for displaying small books or other cherished knickknacks. Enhance your home or office decor with this versatile holder. What we like. This is a concise, natural wood tabletop stand that requires DIY assembly, offering a charming country style. If you enjoy a hands-on approach and want a simple, decorative piece to display small potted plants or other items on your desk or tabletop, this stand is a good choice. Its compact size makes it perfect for adding a touch of greenery without taking up much space. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and can hold multiple plants without wobbling. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. Tiered design allows me to display my plants at different heights, maximizing space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.